रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ साथ पिक भी लीजिए।
स्टार्ट बोलना सब लोग
अभी सर 1 मिनट।
मेरे को तो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं करना ना,
सबको जब बोलेगा तब शुरू करो।
बात करेंगे तो आपको नहीं करेंगे, तीनों लोग करेंगे।
ओपन करिए द पासवर्ड ऑफ योर मोबाइल एल
उल्टा है
उल्टा है
उल्टा है
हो गया on Facebook you are live, 3 Google Meet you are live, YouTube I am going to
महादेव
you can start.
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। On this auspicious occasion, we are present here for International Yoga Day. As we know, today we are going to perform, we are going to celebrate 6th International Yoga Day. So, now I am going to explain in brief about yoga. Yoga word is derived from Sanskrit word yuj. Yuj means to join. As per founder of yoga, Mahasi Patanjali said that the meaning of word yuj to stabilize our mind for the union of Atma with Paramatma. Atma means our soul and Paramatma means superpower God. So, we have to know about the limbs of yoga. So, there is 8 limbs of yoga: Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Among these 8, today we will perform pranayama and asana. So, we are going to start pranayama, but before that, while we just performing pranayama or asana, especially in asana, there is 3 poses. We will do in 3 poses, anyone, whatever you want, but in standing, in sitting, in lying, you make sure to just keep your spine straight. So, we're going to start meditation with pranayama. First, we sit in Sukhasana with Gyan Mudra, and first of all, we will perform Bhastrika Pranayama. To close our eyes and process of Bhastrika, we will inhale, deep breathing and exhale. Inhale, exhale, we can do according to as our lung capacity, and if anyone can faster, so go for it. Start. Okay. And each and every pranayama we will go for only 5 breaths or 5 times. Okay. So next is Anulom Vilom. In Anulom Vilom, we will keep our thumb on first nostril and take breathing from other nostril. Inhale, then close that nostril and exhale. Open other nostril, then exhale. And same cycle will be continued. Okay, start. will take 3 breathings, inhale and exhale. Okay, next is Kapal Bhati. In Kapal Bhati,
चल रहा है ना
we will only exhale out, but
आवाज हो रही है बस
main thing is that we will make the stroke from our stomach and main point is navel point. Okay, from the navel point we will give stroking. Start. Okay, normal breathing. The benefit of Kapalbhati, it cures our body from inside. Okay, next is Om chanting. Process of Om chanting, we will take breath, inhale from the mouth
फेसबुक पे ना
and exhale from the nose, but during the exhale, we will say
और सुनिए हेलो
half of the breath
Account
Ooh
वाला laptop
and last half of the breath Ma. Okay, start.
अकाउंट वाला लैपटॉप चाहिए है लाइव है फेसबुक पर अभिषेक है
Okay, normal breathing 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Okay, the other name of Om chanting is known as Udgitika Pranayama, and it is very important for meditation also. Okay, next is Brahmari. In Brahmari, we will keep our index finger on our forehead and middle and ring finger will be on the eyes and our little finger on our mandible bone near mustache, and our thumb will be close our earlobe, and we will inhale deep breathing, and at the time of exhale we will exhale by the nose, and during exhalation we will do the sound like P. Okay, start.
पनीर त्रिपाल कुछ तो होगा
normal breathing 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Bhramari is very beneficial to make our concentration. Now, rub your both palms and put on your eyes. Keep your head down. And slowly remove your hands. Now, slowly open your eyes. Now, feeling is very peacefulness. Okay, it's all about pranayama. Now, we are going to perform asanas. Before the start asanas, we have to require warmed up our body. It requires flexibility. For better flexibility, for better blood circulation, for better stretchability of our muscles, stretchability of our joint, stretchability of ligament and tendons, we will do one set of Surya Namaskar, and it is also known as asana. Okay, let's start. Namaskar pose. Go back with both hands. Hastuttanasana. As much as possible. Okay, slowly go down. Padhastasana. Try to keep your knee straight. If you are not able to do as much as possible. Okay, keep your right leg back.
इतना मैनेज करें हम लोग
This is Asya Sanchalika. Left leg back. Mountain pose. Now, Ashtang Namaskara. In Ashtang Namaskara, our 8 point should be touch on the ground. Both feet, both knees, both hands, chest and chin. Okay, up. Cobra posture. Okay, back in Ashtanga Namaskara. Back in mountain pose. In mountain pose, our head should be on the ground. It will make better effect. Okay, right leg forward. Same in Asya Sanchalika Asana. Then left forward. Padhastasana. Okay, up. Go back. Hastuttanasana. Same process we will do from left side. Okay, down. Left leg back. Right leg back. Ashtanga Namaskara. Up. Cobra posture. Back. Ashtanga Namaskara. Again in mountain pose. Now left leg forward. Asya Sanchalika Asana. Then right leg forward. Okay. Slowly up. Go back. Okay. Now we feel better warmed up in our body. Okay. Now we will perform some asana. First of all, we will perform in standing pose. First, Tadasana. In Tadasana, we will stand in attention position and Slowly, slowly, spread our both hands sideways. Okay, turn your palm upward, go upward, slowly, slowly.
इधर झुका दीजिए, झुकाना किस तरफ?
Keep your both palm fingers interlocked and stretch upward. Maximum. Come on the toes, slowly, slowly. Hold here for a few seconds. Okay, benefit of Tadasana. Get slowly, slowly down first of all. Relax your arms. Down. Benefit of Tadasana, it's very beneficial to improve the height of the child, cure constipation and overall body stretch. Okay, next is Vrikshasana. In Vrikshasana, first of all, we will hold our right leg and keep on the left leg inner thigh and try to make balance, and our both arms go upward, together make Namaskar pose and hold for a few seconds, stretch upward maximum. Okay, slowly, slowly down. Same process other side. Okay, slowly, slowly down. It is also known as meditation pose, and it's make our mind and body balanced. So it's all about standing asanas. Now we will go for the sitting asanas. Okay, in sitting asana, we will perform Paschimottanasana. Keep your both legs straight and come in Anjali Mudra. First of all, your left hand keep near your navel, then right hand above the left hand. Okay, keep your spine straight. Slowly, slowly, keep your hands sideways and go forward as much as possible. Slowly, slowly, and hold for a few seconds. Try to keep your knee straight if you can. Okay, slowly, slowly return back. A benefit of Paschimottanasana is relieve the stiffness of our back, lower back, our arms and our hamstring, calf muscles. Okay, next is Vajrasana. So we will sit on our leg, keep your both toes attached from back side and both arms placed on your quadricep muscles, thigh, and keep your spine straight. So this is the pose. In this pose only we will sit after the eating. Means only one asana we will perform before eating also and after eating, and it is very beneficial to increase our digestion, and it's cure jaundice, sciatica and whole digestive problems. It is known as Vajrasana. Okay, relax. Now we will perform in Lying position. In lying position, first of all, we will go in prone position, prone lying position. Down. Keep your both legs straight and attached from back side. Your both palm placed parallel to your shoulder and your width of both palm according to your shoulder. Now slowly, slowly we will up, and during the up we will inhale. Okay, slowly, slowly up. Now you can take normal breathing here. Okay, inhale and down. Benefit of Cobra posture Bhujangasana, it's relieve our lower back pain, upper back pain, and decrease the obesity of our
बोले
belly. Okay, yeah. Now we will go for the Setu Bandhasana. Lie down in supine position and fold your both legs. Then hold your both heels if you can. Okay. Keep your back up. Make like bridge. It is also known as half bridge pose and gluteus bridge also. And it is very beneficial to cure our lower back pain and strengthen our glutes muscles, hamstring muscles also. Okay, slowly, slowly down. Up. So it's all about meditation, pranayama, and asana. So I would like to request you all keep each and every day for half an hour or 1 hour regular yoga at your home and stay at your home, keep healthy. Thank you. Sir.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. It was a nice demonstration, Mr. Sanjeev Pandey. And sound mind in a sound body is possible through yoga. So let's do yoga every day. Thank you so much. Thank you once again for joining us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.